Hello guys, welcome to Generation Rebel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to know how long you have followed someone on Instagram. Now just follow me on this one. It's not that hard. So let's head over to our Instagram app right now. It's over here. So I know now currently on my Instagram homepage, and we're just gonna search for one account that we want to check of how long we have followed this one for. Now, let's, for example, take this one, HOTB. Just click on the triple buttons on the top right and just click on why you are seeing this post. And as you can see, posts are shown in this feed based on many things, including your activity across Instagram and Threads, and that I follow HOB.org, and I have been following HOTB.org for 3 years. That is why we are seeing this post, and that is how you will see how long you've followed someone. Just to take another example, this one, as you can see, I've followed this one for 1 year, and that is how you check how long you have followed someone on Instagram. I hope this video helped you as much as it did me when I discovered this on my own. Well, that is how you do it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you like this video. This was Generation Rebel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.